The Goa Enforcement Directorate has provisionally attached immovable properties worth 3 crore rupees under the provisions of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act in a case related to the fraudulent investment schemes allegedly operated by Myron Rodriguez and his associates. The ED has initiated the investigation on the basis of FIRs registered by the Goa Economic Offence Cell and the Mumbai Police. The ED investigation revealed that Myron Rodriguez and others induced multiple investors to invest funds by offering false assurances of high and guaranteed returns in the stock market and other business ventures. Substantial amounts were collected from the investors. However, the funds were dishonestly retained and diverted for personal use and for the acquisition of assets. The investigation under the provisions of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act further revealed that the generation of proceeds of crime amounting to approximately 14.82 crore rupees. These proceeds were subsequently used by the accused persons to acquire various assets including bank deposits, fixed deposits and immovable properties, and were projected as untainted assets in an attempt to conceal their illicit origin. So far, the ED has attached assets worth approximately 5.98 crore rupees in this case. Meanwhile, the Goa ED has published a notice in local newspapers declaring a list of 24 properties that have been attached under the PMLA with the attachments confirmed by the court. The ED has directed that these attached properties be vacated within 10 days if they are occupied by any person. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.